FixaPro Car Cleaner Review 2025 Legit Scratch Remover or Overhyped. Honest test. Most people get this wrong by assuming all car scratch removers are ineffective. The surprising truth is that FixaPro Car Cleaner delivers noticeable improvements on light scratches and surface blemishes, but deep scratches may need professional repair. The cleaner comes in a paste form with an applicator pad. You won't believe how easy it is to buff minor scratches and restore shine. Users report visible reduction in surface imperfections after a few applications. Some limitations exist. Deeper lump scratches cannot be fully removed, and results vary with paint type. The surprising truth is that FixaPro is best for maintenance and minor repairs, not complete restoration. In conclusion, FixaPro Car Cleaner is a legit product for minor scratch removal. Most people get this wrong by expecting miracles on deep damage, but for everyday upkeep and light scratches, it's an effective and affordable solution.